everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with another video. This time I'm making this beautiful hanging plant. I'm already super obsessed with my plants, so this one is very close to my heart. So for this project, just need 3 colors, any shades of green for the leaves, one darker color for the soil and a color for the pot. For the material list and their links, please go through my description. I have all the links in there. So let's start with the major portion, which is our leaves. Take the green yarn, tie a knot, a slip knot. Leave a little amount of yarn so that will be enough portion to tie a knot easily. Then make some chains. I go with chain 8. Increase or decrease. So this will be the distance from the pot to starting of the leaves. So decide it accordingly. After 8 chains, we will make puff stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook in this last chain and take out the yarn. And pass through only 2 chains. Now you have 2 chains on the hook. Repeat the same process, yarn over, hook back into the same chain, pull out only from 2. Now you have 3 chains on the hook. Continue for 2 more rounds. Once you have 5 chains on the hook, pull through all 5 of them and this will look something like this. 2 chains here and make a slip stitch. So this is the little puff stitch. We will use it today for our leaves. Just repeat this and create a longer chains of leaves. Chain 5 here. Or this can be your discretion how much gap you want in between the leaves. And make 1 more puff stitch here. So keep adding the puff stitch and make it longer. This is my shortest one with 4 puffs and this is my longest with 10 puffs. To finish one portion of the leaves, after a puff stitch, just cut the yarn, leaving a little space and then simply pass the yarn from the last chain. It will be secure and then hide the last portion of the yarn in the puff like this. I ended up making almost 20 of them. Some of them are short, some longer. I divided them into group of 5 and all are of different length. Smallest one with 4 puffs and the longest with 10 puffs. And you can choose other 2 sizes accordingly. If you have already made the leaves, the major portion is already done. Let's keep them aside for a while and make the pot now. The yarn I have chosen for the pot is little thinner than the other, so I double it up. This step is not necessary at all of mine and the pot will look more thicker. If you guys follow me, I have made this kind of pot so many times in my video, but I will go through the process one more time. Make a magic ring like this and on this ring we will make 8 chains like this. And close the ring to end the row and just make slip stitch on the first chain. And second row we will make 2 single crocheted on each of them. So at the end we will have total 16 chains. End the row with a slip stitch again. Third row, again start with a chain 1. This time we will go alternative. Like on the first chain we will make 2 single crocheted and 1 on the next and go on. I'm going little fast on this part. You guys have any doubt or queries, do let me know in the comment section below. Fourth row will again start with chain 1. This time follow the pattern 1 2 1. That means 1 single crochet, then 2 on the next and again 1 on the next, and follow it till the end and slip stitch to finish the row. Fifth row, start with chain 1, 2 single crochet on the first one, then 3 single crochet on the next 3 chains and follow the pattern. I made total 8 rows and the rest of the rows I have mentioned in the description, also in the screen. Any abbreviation found difficult, those are mentioned in the description too. My time is running out, so I'm gonna skip it to the 8th row directly. Again, any confusion, I always keep my eyes on the comment box. Feel free to ask any queries. Now we have this brown color for soil. With this color also, same size, same process, we will make one more circle. Now for the whole pot, we will just make single crochet all around. No increase, no adding extra chains, just make single crochet on each of the chains. And it will started coming up like this on its own. So go on and keep making single crochet unless you get your desired length. And at the end of each row, just make 1 slip stitch and again continue with single crochet. So I made it about 4 inch long, and with this brown circle will go on top. This time to fill the pot with whatever filling material you have. I mostly reuse my old pillows. This can be the best way to reuse them. Fill it tightly so that it can be a little stiff. Now on the brown circle, we will add all our leaves. Arrange them randomly. Doesn't have to be any order. And pass all of them from the center of the circle like this. Or if this is too much, can be passed from different locations as well. And tie a knot on the other side. I normally divide them into 2 to 3 groups and then make a knot. With the help of a needle, just simply sew the sides, including both the portion. And that's a really cute plant pot and ready to be kept anywhere. Looks really real and no pressure of sunlight and watering. The same portion, if you want to hang, you can build a hanger. To take the same color yarn as the pot, attach it on the 4 sides. Make it about 20 to 25 chains and repeat it on the 4 sides. And tie a knot on the top like this. The hanger is also done. You will be super satisfied once you complete it. A really beautiful piece. I hope you guys liked it too. Do let me know in the comment section below. See you on my next video with something new. Bye bye.